Hello everybody, what is up? My name is Aquilius Rajesh Epic and welcome to this unboxing video. Today we'll be reviewing the funny box I got in the post today after looking through my entire apartment complex for multiple hours to figure out where the fuck the postman put the box here. So in this box you may do not know what I do have, but before we get to this, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and also sharing it with your friends if you want to know what is inside this box. But if we get this to 100,000 likes, I will then unbox my Bobs and Vagin. So yes, this is a box. It is a very nice box. As you can see, nice cardboard. Very high quality cardboard. Best cardboard. And yes, so how about we go to the unboxing of this box and we then see what I will be reviewing today. So now we have opened the box, we will now have a look inside. First we have a lot of unimportant paperwork, none of your business, none of your interest. Because oh my gosh, we have an iPhone! We have an iPhone 11 Pro! Oh my god, 256 gigabytes! That is enough data for all of your Indian and Pakistani memes, especially the Pakistani ones which we burn afterwards. Yes, we have got an iPhone 11 Pro, which is absolutely amazing. iPhone and Apple being one of the most popular brands in India, the ones that can afford it, means you have big PP energy. So, to unveil the big PP energy of the iPhone 11 Pro, I will now be unboxing it. Even more. Unboxing a box in a boxing video. Who the fuck do you think I am? Mike Tyson? So yes, now we have box. Very nice, elegant black box. And we will now undo this wrapper. And there we have a nice and elegant black iPhone box. Very nice, very firm. If you throw it hard enough, you will definitely break a skull if you throw it good enough. Wow! In the box is actually a phone! In the box there is actually an iPhone! I did not get scammed! Oh my gosh, I did not get scammed! There is actually a phone! First time and first man in India not to be scammed when ordering phone. Oh my gosh! I must say it feels very good in hand, yes? Very good. I like it when things feel good in hand. Yes. As you see, it has triple camera system which make very good pictures of Bob and Vagin if used it correctly. The camouflage color does help you conceal yourself when taking those kind of pictures. Aquilius, please stop talking this horrible accent. Oh my god, he got AirPods in. He cannot hear me. No, he's gonna be talking this horrible accent for the rest of the fucking video. AirPods for rich boys. A plug. Very heavy plug. You plug shit into it. A cable. You need it to use plug. Very useful. Very useful. Now the box is empty. Now the box is not nearly as interesting. So yes, I have iPhone with good cover. As you can see, this is actually iPhone 11 Pro and not the Galaxy S6 I used to use, because as you can tell, the cover does not fit onto the phone. I would be actually very surprised if it actually would work, but as you can tell, no it do not, because I am a bloody twat. Anyway, this has been your boy Aquilius Epic, unboxing and reviewing the iPhone 11 Pro. If you want to see more unboxing videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If we get this to 20,000 million likes, I give you an iPhone as well. Anyway, check out the end card and stay epic, because then I will da-da-da. We'll be unboxing this funny box I received in the post. How does that not sound fucking Indian? In the post. What the fuck accent was that? A brand new iPhone 11 Plus. The best. What the fuck is his accent? That's not the right accent. I hate myself for doing this video.